Now, the Delhi police has been fined 25,000 rupees and heavily reprimanded by a local court for mishandling of a case which was linked to the riots of February 2019. The court also said that the riots victim, Mohammad Nasir, could approach the law for action against the Delhi police.
Callous, ruthless and cruel. That's what a Delhi court has said about Delhi police's treatment of this man. 36-year-old Nasir lost an eye in the Delhi riots in February last year. He was attacked allegedly by his neighbors, but despite repeated requests, the Delhi police did not file an FIR. Instead, they attached his complaint to another case, which was totally unconnected. With no one listening to him, Nasir went to court.
जब मेरे शूट किया सामने से तो मैं तो आरोपियों को देख सकता हूं किसने शूट किया। उसके बाद पुलिस से हमने गुहार लगाई तो पुलिस ने कोई हमारी गुहार नहीं सुनाई। जितने भी ऑप्शन थे हमारे पास, डीसीपी साहब, कमिश्नर साहब, सबके पास गुहार लगाई, पर वहां से कोई भी हमें कोई रिस्पांस नहीं मिला।
Today, a local court in Delhi has fined the Delhi police 25,000 rupees and reprimanded them for mishandling the case. The court said Delhi police's action in the matter has been callous and ruthless. It is evident that the police was working to save the accused. The Delhi police failed miserably in its statutory duty. How did the Delhi police give a clean chit without a probe? Delhi police's actions are astonishing and cruel.
नासिर साहब को ये भी आज़ादी दी गई है कि आप पुलिस के खिलाफ एक्शन करो। कि इस केस में जो कमियां उजागर हुई हैं कि दिल्ली पुलिस के कुछ अधिकारियों ने इस प्रकार से काम किया है जो कि आपराधिक गतिविधियां हैं, तो उसको कैसे ठीक किया जाएगा, इस पे कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस को डायरेक्शंस दी गई है कि आप ये सब चीजें दुरुस्त करके कोर्ट को बताएंगे। ये महत्वपूर्ण बात।
NDTV's request for a comment from the Delhi police got no response.
One accused in this case, his name is Naresh Gaur. He's ex-MLA of BJP from Babarpur Vidhan Sabha. FIR will be registered against him after this order. And one more point which I would like to highlight. That time, not his DCP was Ved Prakash Surya. Now he has been transferred. He has sought President's Medal for his bravery in Delhi riot cases. But now, after this judgment of the court, where court is questioning Delhi police and saying that Delhi police has failed to its statutory responsibilities, is that medal justified? In New Delhi, with Mohammad Musaleen, Saurabh Shukla for NDTV.